January 1st is right around the corner, which means I'm gonna be eating soup joumou. Soup joumou, also known as pumpkin soup, is a Haitian dish that's served annually on January 1st on Haitian Independence Day. To be honest, I don't think I've ever eaten this soup with pumpkin as the base. My family usually makes it with squash. To make sure this soup is 100% alkaline, I'm using butternut squash as the base instead of pumpkin. After dicing them up, I add them to a large pot and fill it with water. For a complete list of ingredients and measurements, check out my blog, veganofthecaribbean.com. I'm going to be adding the chickpeas that have been soaked overnight and adding them once the water begins to boil. After chopping up some red bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions, it's time to saute them. Next up, I'm peeling and dicing 2 Mexican squash and a burro banana. I like for my soup to have some tang, so I'm taking some key limes and adding their sour juices into the pot. Here's what the soup looks like after I've added some herbs and spices like thyme, habanero, salt, onion powder, fennel seed, and more into the mix. I found half a zucchini in the fridge and I decided to cut them up and put them into the soup, totally optional. Once the soup is almost ready and the chickpeas are thoroughly cooked, I then like to add the kamut pasta. While that's cooking, I chopped up the last ingredient, which is dino kale, and I'm adding it into the pot. Voila! 100% vegan and alkaline soup joumou. Hopefully you found this video useful. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more Caribbean recipes with a vegan twist, and I'll see you in the next video. Bon appetit!